Good morning. Today I am going to go over with you the first part of the directions, which is covering slides 1 through 5. Now remember, to meet our learning target and for you to receive full credit, you must follow the directions step by step. And remember, it is the expectation for you to always write and complete sentences that include reasons, examples, or evidence. Notes or incomplete sentences is only acceptable when taking notes or specified if it is okay to do so by the teacher. So this week we're learning more about West Africa's geography and economy. During this era, trans-regional trade networks emerged and or expanded. These networks of exchange influenced the economic and political developments of states and empires. Now notice this is linked, so this will take you to the definition of trans-regional. So trans-regional means across regions. The other thing I want you to take a look at is this bar down here, so you can move it from back and forth. So there is a little, marker here that says essential questions are big ideas we want to make sure we know by the end of the unit. And this essential question is, why was long distance trade so crucial to the growth of the Ghana and Mali into powerful empires? Now on slides, you're going to be completing slides 3, 4, and 5. So when we look at slide 3, I'm going to go ahead and move this over here. It says the dictionary is a historian's best friend, so use it. And then what you're going to do here is I want you to look up the words literate from the first paragraph and contemporary. So you cannot understand the text in questions if you don't know what this word means. So this how-to video will explain to you how you can look up words and quickly. So on this slide, what you're doing is you're thinking about, how do we know what we know about early African kingdoms and city-states? And we're going to describe how historians learn about the history of Africa using oral history and written sources. So you're going to read this excerpt from document 1, and you're going to answer the question, why did some historians believe that Africa had no history? Then you're going to read the second excerpt, and you're going to identify the what three sources have contemporary scholars and historians used to learn about the history of Africa. So you're going to write your information here. And remember, to write, you're just going to need to draw a text box. Okay. Now on slide 4, we're looking at another document and an image. We could see these griots de Sambala. And you'll notice it says document 2A and document 2B. So document 2A, the image to your left depicts griots. From this image, what can you infer about what the role griots may have played in West African society? So based on this image, what is a role? What is their job in society? What do they do? Are they important? Are they not important? And document B gives you context for this picture. Remember, context tells you like the background, puts it in perspective for you. So now you're going to identify what is a griot based on this information. Now this guess who, and hopefully you've been paying attention in class, you're going to read this passage and you're going to tell me who the reading is about. Where does this take place? And what do you think the gold of the Sahara mentioned? What do you think is the gold of the Sahara? So it's not necessarily talking about gold. It's using that figurative, like it's, oh, this is a gold mine. Like this is awesome. Like this is the best. So what are they referring to as the gold of the Sahara? What does the word adaptations in paragraph 2 mean? And in detail, list 5 adaptations mentioned that made it easier to live in the Sahara. So that's your assignment for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Keep curious, and I look forward to reading your work.